Now this is going to kind of be a shorter model. We're going to kind of grow as we go. It only weighs 4,291 pounds, so you don't need a massive vehicle to tow it. If you have a big SUV or a smaller half ton, you're going to be more than okay on this one. It's 22 feet 5 inches long, 7 foot wide. It has one slide on it, and it'll sleep 3 people. So pretty good use of floor space here, and pretty kind of cool outdoor setup here. You have your pass-through storage as always. Now you do have a 13-foot awning with an LED strip there, so you'll always be lit up. You won't have to worry about lighting candles or bringing your own lighting. You'll be all set there. It's automatic, push of a button. Your awning's going to be out and good to go on that. You have outdoor speakers, so you can listen to the radio, get your Spotify playlist out. You always have your plug-ins as well. Water supply there if you're doing a little boondocking. Now you do have a bunch of stickers here. You're going to see this has the Comfort Tech package, the Explorer package. It's got a 3-year structural warranty on it. And a lot of you guys think, well, warranties aren't enough. Don't worry, we offer our own personal protection plans as well. So that way, no matter what happens, you're always going to be covered if something does go south. But I think that kind of covers it for out here. So let's go inside, take a look, see what this thing has to offer. All right, so you can kind of see I'm 6'3" to give you guys an idea of what it would look like. I'm kind of a taller person, so when it comes to a smaller travel trailer, it's nice when I don't have to crouch my head down or worry about bumping my head on something. So pretty good use of space here. They give you a TV, you got your JBL speaker, and then you do have a small storage compartment up here as well for DVDs or whatever electronics that may rock with that. You got a 3 top burner stove with some storage space under here. Oops, that's your fuse box. Little storage space under there. And then you got your microwave up here as well. You got a pretty good sized kitchen. I believe this is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator if I'm not mistaken. It's so nice they give you these big refrigerators even though it is a smaller size travel trailer. And you get a massive sink for the size this thing is. You don't got to worry about your dishes overflowing or setting dirty dishes out on the table. You can set them right down in there as well. Now you do have a dinette here for you and the spouse to have dinner, lunch, breakfast, you name it, or if you want to play a little bit of euchre, you could do that as well. It will fold down into a bed. That is why it does sleep 3. And you get a decent amount of space there if you're going to sleep that third person. You got a decent sized bathroom here for the size that the travel trailer is. Nice stand-up shower. You got shelves for all your soaps. A nice toilet. That way you don't have to worry about one of the cheaper ones that, another name brand may put on there. And you do get towel storage in a bathroom, which is nice because, nobody likes to have those towels just out in the open. So they do give you a compartment for that. Now you do get a Murphy style bed on this one. So if you're somebody like me who likes to be in the outdoors, likes to do a little bit of hiking, not a problem. When you get back from those hikes, you're all sweaty and you think, man, I want to sit down and relax, but I don't want to have to sit on the bed. Not a problem. That's why they make these Murphy style beds. You can lift this up. That will go in right there into a little sofa. You can sit down, untie your shoes, get undressed from your sweaty hike that you just went on, and you could still fold that down and have a nice clean bed to sleep in at night. So plenty of nightstand space here. They even give you a little more storage as well. If you guys need any extra, you can fit shoes in there. You can fit your slippers, whatever you need. Or it doesn't even have to be for your bed because it's that much storage, right? So again, this comes down. You do get more overhead storage up here. Whatever you need, you can slide them in there, whether that be shoes, socks, little small appliances, electronics, throw them all up there. And then they give you your closet space for your hanging stuff as well. And then they didn't forget about, all your electronics. You do get your plug-in ports up there, which is super nice. And then, you will have curtains. They didn't forget about you non-morning people that don't like all your sunlight in there. And then if, counter space in these things is such a big thing. So they did think of you, not a lot of counter space to work over there. So they said, we're going to put a little end table here. So that way while you're cooking or, whatever you're doing, you can always have that. you know, you don't got to worry about stuff getting in the way and getting all locked up there. And then you still got more drawer space there. You got a little bit of space there as well for, you know, whatever kind of miscellaneous stuff that you have. They really try to make this as easy as possible to fit all of your items for your camping style. So again, you got an upgraded air conditioner in here, so you can see kind of all these vents. What's super nice about these new ones, they are all it's ducted all throughout the RV, right? So you don't got to worry about just getting one source of air. Because it is ducted, the person laying in bed is going to feel it just as much as that person getting a soda pop out of the fridge. So I think that kind of covers it here on the Micro Minnie. I mean, shoot me some questions in the comments, guys, if you have any. For somebody who's looking for something nice and compact for just you and the spouse, highly recommend this. Great use of space, great floor plan to go along with it. But I think that kind of covers it. So let's go hop on to the next one.